Welcome to Kwiiz Success, India's trusted platform for IIT JEE and NEET.
Learning objectives. After completing this module, learners will be able to describe the plate movements, discuss the formation of India due to plate movements, underline the physical features of India, explain how India's physical features were formed. Theory of plate tectonics. There are almost all kinds of landforms ranging from lofty mountain ranges, valleys, fertile plains, deserts, plateaus to island groups in our country. The theory of plate tectonics explains the formation of these landforms. According to this theory, the Earth's crust or lithosphere is made up of numerous large and small plates. The movement of plates creates three types of boundaries. When the plates collide, they form convergent boundaries. When they move away from each other, they form divergent boundaries. When the plates move horizontally past each other, they form transform boundaries. These movements have been responsible for the shape, size, and position of the continents. Some 225 million years ago, the Earth was a single landmass called Pangaea. About 200 million years ago, it broke into two parts, Laurasia and Gondwana. In course of time, Gondwana disintegrated into African, South American, Australian, Antarctica and Indian plate. Of these, the Indian plate drifted upwards and collided with the much larger Eurasian plate. The collision caused uplift of the sedimentary rocks in the Tethys Sea, resulting in the formation of the mighty Himalayas. While the Himalayas were uplifted, the northern edge of the peninsular plateau caved in, forming a huge depression. Deposits from the rivers flowing from north and the peninsula in south filled up this depression, creating a very fertile flat land of alluvial soil, which we know as the northern plains today. Himalayan mountains. Himalayas, the highest mountain range in the world, forms the north and northeastern boundaries of India, covering a distance of 2,400 kilometers. It is 400 kilometers wide in Kashmir, but tapers to 150 kilometers in Arunachal Pradesh in the east. The Himalayas are divided into three parallel ranges. The Greater Himalayas or Himadri, the highest and the most continuous range, is composed of granite. Its average height is 6,000 meters. It has some of the tallest peaks of the world, like Mount Everest, 8,848 meters, K2 or Godwin-Austen, 8,611 meters,
Kanchenjunga, 8,598 meter,
and the Nanga Parbat, 8,586 meters. Rivers Ganga and Yamuna originate in this range. The Middle Himalayas or Himachal is located to the south of the Greater Himalayas. The altitude here varies from 3,700 meters to 4,500 meters. The average width is 50 kilometers. Pir Panjal, longest, Dhauladhar and Mahabharat are important ranges. The valley of Kashmir, the Kangra and Kulu valley of Himachal are part of this range. The outer Himalayas or the Shivalik is the lowest range. The altitude varies from 900 meters to 1,100 meters and the width varies from 10 to 50 kilometers. It is made up of sediments deposited by the rivers of the northern Himalayas. The valleys lying between Himachal and the Shivalik range are called dunes. Dehradun, Kotli Dun and Patli Dun are a few to name. The Himalayas are also divided into regions from east to west on the basis of river valleys. Area between Indus and Sutlej River is Punjab Himalayas, between Sutlej and Kali River is Kumaon Himalayas, between Kali and Teesta River, Nepal Himalayas, and between Teesta and Dihang River is Assam Himalayas. After Dihang Gorge, the Himalayas sharply turn southwards and run along the easternmost boundary. This region is called the Purvanchal or Eastern Hills. These hills are made up of sedimentary rocks. Northern Plains. The northern plains located to the south of Himalayas, formed of sedimentary deposits of alluvium brought down by rivers Ganga, Sutlej, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. It covers an area of 7 lakh kilometers. Its east to west length is 2,400 kilometers. The width varies from 240 kilometers to 320 kilometers. The northern plains is divided into 3 major sections. 1. The western part drained by Indus and its tributaries Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and Sutlej is known as the Punjab Plains. A major part of it lies in Pakistan. 2. Ganga Plains. The middle section lies between Ghaggar and Teesta rivers. It is drained by rivers Ganga, Yamuna, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi and Teesta from the Himalayas and Chambal, Betwa, Son and Damodar from the plateau in the south. 3. Brahmaputra Plains, the eastern section of the northern plain, lies in Assam. Based on relief features, the plains are divided into 4 regions. Bhabar is a narrow belt of pebble deposits. Terai is a marshy region. Bhangar is made up of the oldest alluvium soil. Khadar, the most fertile region, is made up of young alluvium soil. Peninsular Plateau. The Peninsular Plateau is made up of metamorphic and igneous rocks. From Satpura Range, it stretches far into the east up to Kacher Hills. It is divided into 2 major regions, the Central Highland and the Deccan Plateau, by rivers Narmada and Tapi. The Central Highland lies to the north of river Narmada. It includes the Aravalli Range, Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau and some parts of Vindhya Range. The triangular-shaped Deccan Plateau lies to the south of Narmada and is flanked by 2 mountain ranges, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. The coastal plains. There are narrow strips of coastal plains on either sides of the Peninsular Plateau. The narrow western coastal plain lies between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghat. It is divided into 3 parts, the Konkan coast, the Kannad plain and the Malabar coast towards south. The eastern coastal plains along the Bay of Bengal are relatively broader and level. Its northern part is called the Northern Sircar and the southern part is called the Coromandel Coast. The Indian Desert. The Indian Desert lies towards the western margins of the Aravalli Range. It is an arid region receiving even less than 150 millimeters rainfall per year. Luni is the only large river here. Crescent-shaped dunes abound in the area. The islands. Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea are a group of coral islands. The total area is 32 square kilometers. It is rich in flora and fauna. The administrative headquarters is at Kavaratti. Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie in the Bay of Bengal. They are larger in size and number and are more scattered. The island group is divided into Andaman in north and the Nicobar Island in the south. Since they are closer to the equator, They experience an equatorial climate. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Movement of tectonic plates can be classified as convergent, divergent, and transform. The shape, size, and location of each continent are the result of tectonic plate movements. When the Gondwana land landmass disintegrated into pieces, the India plate moved northward, leading India to its current location. India's physical features are divided into 6 major physiographic divisions, namely the Himalayas, the northern plains, the peninsular India, the Indian desert, the coastal plains, and the island groups. Himalayas took shape following a collision between the India plate and the Eurasian plate. The huge basin formed as a result of the collision between India plate and the Eurasian plate was filled up with sediments in millions of years to form the northern plains. The peninsular plateau is made up of igneous and metamorphic rocks. The Indian desert lies on the western side of the Aravalli Hills. The peninsular plateau is flanked by the eastern and
Friends, welcome to Kwiiz Success. Now, there's no need to memorize without understanding. Our innovative learning technique helps you grasp concepts easily and effectively. Here, you'll find the perfect combination of 3D animated videos, AI-powered test series, and ebooks enriched with MCQs and mind maps. We offer the foundation course for class 8 to 10 students and the success blueprint course for class 11 and 12 students, providing a real exam experience and a boost in confidence. All our courses are designed by IIT and IIM alumni to ensure top quality learning. Whether it's an engineering entrance, medical entrance, or any competitive exam, success is now in your hands. Thousands of students have already benefited and now it's your turn. Study from home, at your own time, and at your own convenience. Visit www.success.org.in or scan the QR code to download the Kwiiz Success mobile app for free. Take mock tests, practice regularly, and see real improvement in your scores. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, Kwiiz Success. Also share it with your friends. Thank you.